Children, you know it's rainy season, and rainy season means lots of water droplets in and around here. So today we'll make a Ganesha. See, Ganesh Chaturthi is arriving. There is rain. So what we'll do is we'll mix rains and Ganesh, and we'll make a water droplet Ganesha. For that we just require one extra thing, that is a कान में क्या डालते हैं, earbud. Okay. So here I have taken two reds. See, both of them match, but what I am going to do is taking the darker shade, that is the maroon shade. For this shade paper, I have taken a colored paper this time, and I will quickly show you how the Ganesha drawing will be done here. Now I have not drawn anything just because this is a painting where we cannot draw. I have drawn very lightly, which you all cannot see. Only I can see. So first the face of the Ganesha, see, I am making it here. The lower part will be white. See, I am using a white oil pastel and maroon here. Now what we will do is I will just do the gully parts over here with my maroon. दबा दबा के घसीट के बचास. Okay, दबा दबा के घसीट के till here. From the lower end, what we will do is I'll show you all one, and then I'll go quickly with the other parts. This part we have done white, and now we will do a little bit. Now see, I've gone light here because I'm going to do the mixing part in between. So ऊपर से लाल, नीचे से white, बीच में खिचड़ी. So it is the khichdi part here where we are mixing both the colors. तुटलं असंच असतं, माझं सगळं कलर तुटून जातं. So we have done a khichdi here, and then we smudge it off very nicely. Oh, I just keep my colors down and I'll hold the paper so that I don't make mistakes. See, I'm smudging this part very nicely, and I'm taking this color down. Okay, this is the way it will be smudged. Now this is the white portion. We'll be using a little bit of black for the borders. Now what I'm going to do is take my acrylic color, a little acrylic color on my brush, and draw few shiny parts here. This is one which I am showing, then I'll do all my acrylics together. Okay, this is just one for your benefit. You all should know how the drawing is going to look like. Now a very bright color down here. Okay, a very bright color, and then what you need to do is clean your hands nicely and just tap. So you're going to do tap when it is wet. After it dries, if you do tap, it is of no use. Okay, so when it is wet, you just do a little tap. I think so there is a little red color required here, and then clean your hands before you do any step and just mixing it. Now the black shadow part. Now the black shadow part will come here. See, this will be the black shadow part. And now I'm not using my finger, I'm just using this earbud and just going on this black color once. Okay, just going on this one color once and spreading it a bit. So this will be one drop of water which is fallen. When the entire thing is done, you will understand the beauty of the drawing. So understood, this is the concept which we are going to use throughout. Now I'll quickly show you where we are going to do the ears. This was the face color. Here I have used my primary red color. Down I'll be doing white again. Okay, this will be one ear. The second ear, a little darker color up. Now the little darker color up. Downs will be white. Similarly, over here, the darker color up. This white was really not good, it's getting chipcord. See, again I broke it. This will be the what do you call, the mukut. Ekdam bakwas hai white. That is why I like DOMS. This is so gone. It's become a chura. See, it's become a chura in my hand. So this will be the face part. Now I'll show you the tummy part, and then quickly I will go with the coloring part. This will be the tummy here, with the white portion down. I'll have to be a little careful with my white, otherwise I'll be breaking off the entire thing. This will be the Ashirwad wala hand with white down again. Okay, then here will be the Laddu wala hath. I'll have to dust. Then we'll go the legs. See, I'm showing you the drawing first so that you all know what am I going to do. I just did this part to show you what is the way the droplet part is going to happen. Now this will be the other leg. I just dust it after give me a second. Then again I use this will be the leg part, this will be another leg part, and I'm doing the whites down. Okay, I just dust it. Oof, my white has become really bad. See, now I have two colors. I showed you I have my primary red color and my maroon color. Now with the maroon colors I have done this. Now what I am going to do is quickly take my maroon down to some extent everywhere. Now I'll take my speed. I have done my borders, so I can take my speed, maroon down everywhere, little. It's a very simple painting. Kaहीच जास्त चिंता करने का नहीं, फटफट बन जाता है. Okay, we'll draw a few drops here and there. Okay, we'll draw a few drops here and there to show that it is a dropper Ganpati. I'll just do the white parts. Okay, few drops here and there. Not only the Ganesh ji, but a few drops here and there. Okay, this is the maroon part. See, what I am doing here is the maroon part. I'll just do my whites down here. See, this color does not break. My white तो कचड़ा हो गया, कचड़ा चूर हो गया color. See, this is the lower part. This is the lower part. This is the lower part here, and this is the lower part here, and this is. अरे इसका किया नहीं मैंने. Okay. Now what I do is I first complete my white part, and oh shit यार, हद है. ऐसा कलर का गुच्छड़ा हो जाएगा, मेरे को पता भी नहीं था. चक चक चक. So I'm using this little part. I thought I had a new white color. किसी काम का नहीं है, जा तू अपने घर. डिक चिका 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 डिक चिका. A little white part down here, little here, little here, little here, ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka dong. A little here, ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka dong, ding chicka ding. Little here, ding chicka ding chicka. We'll be requiring white again, but now see, I take my primary red color. I take my primary red color and I do this everywhere, everywhere. Everywhere. अरे इधर मैंने व्हाइट किया ही नहीं रे, भूल गई. कर दूंगी, नो प्रॉब्लम. So it is the mixture maroon, white and red, primary red mixture. Now we are going to mix it. मिक्सी में करके mix कर देंगे. Okay, so we have mixed these colors nicely. Now I'll take my white, Tutela white, and I'll try to mix it again little. See, here I had forgotten to do my white, so I'm doing it again. As it is, we are going to do a little bit of acrylic. Children who do not have acrylic color can use their poster colors also. I use acrylic because I don't have posters. Simple. Ghuma do, ghuma do, ghuma do, ghuma do, ghuma do, ghuma do. So almost done. Now my ungli ka kamal. See, my hands are so dirty. But then still we need to smudge it properly before we do our acrylics and we do our blacks. First I'll do my blacks and then I will do my acrylics. So this I had showed you once, and now quickly we are going to smudge the entire thing. This is the ladu. Ganesha is a favorite god of many bachus. Now we take our blacks, and since we have made the shadow this side, we have to take care and we have to make the shadows. Now I am just doing the lines. अभी ये टूटना मत. हाँ, हल्लू से. नो टूटम टूटाई. इतने प्यार मोहब्बत से करते सारा तो भी तुम लोग टूट जाते हो. शर्म नहीं आती? बच्चे क्या सोचेंगे? ये तन्नू टीचर सारी कलर्स तोड़ देती है. वो वाइट कलर तो अपनी आत्मा कथा में मेरे को कोसेगा. बोलेगा मैं एक तन्नू टीचर के हाथ में आया था और वो तन्नू टीचर ने मेरे को ऐसे दबाया कि मैं चकनाचूर हो गया. You all know what is Atmakatha? Is the autobiography. So the autobiography of that teacher, a white color is good. Say what, Tanu auntie? You broke me. क्या मैंने किधर से कुछ, हाँ ये तो मैं भूल ही गई. क्या मैंने सब कर दिया? हाँ कर दिया. Let's make a navel also. It'll look pretty. Pum 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 pum. Hey kayalo. Pum 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 pum. Okay, now I quickly take my acrylic color. No. Before doing the acrylic color, we just need to write on this black once with a, because this is the shadow, so it needs to spread a bit. Only little, and that is why I'm not using my ungli like a jungly. Rhyming ho gaya. You don't have to do it like a jungly person, like how I usually do. बड़े प्यार मोहब्बत से करना है इसको. That is why I'm using this earbud. थोड़ा फैलाने का, ज़्यादा नहीं, because this is the shadow part of the droplet. फैलाना ज़रूरी है because the shadows are never very accurate in a drawing. नहीं तो सारे साइंस स्टूडेंट्स आके मेरा सिर खा जाएंगे. आपने ऐसा बोला कैसे? शेडोज आर नॉट एक्यूरेट. शेडोज आर एक्यूरेट बाबा. I hardly have any white acrylic color, but then I'll manage. See, this shandy was also not very well done. So what I'm doing is, I'm doing it again over here. It should be good, thick enough color. Now everywhere this side you have to make 2 or 3 lines like that to show that it's a drop. Okay, this will be the jadoo part. This shows this. See, now this will happen here, it will happen here and here. This will happen here, here. Let's make it here too. Now the stomach part will have a little more, a little thick one here. I hope it's clear to you. दमली रे, आता रात झाली, रात्रीचे 12 वाजले आणि हे पेंटिंग करत आहे. मला पण झोप येत आहे. But I want to upload it not today, because first I'm going to upload my Tarak Mehta wala and then I'm going to upload this. So when I upload this, you all must have already seen my Tarak Mehta wala, Ulta Chashme wala. See, now very delicately, what am I going to do is, just above my black there will be a white shiny line. Can you see it? I'll just keep this color here. Now see, I'm keeping my hand in the hawa and doing it, or I can even twist my paper if it's clear. Just above my black shadow there will be a small white line. Just above my black shadow there will be a white bright line. Okay, this has become mortar, but we require it here. And then with the finger, dhampachaka, before it dries, don't let it dry. I'm just taking a bit of color just above my black. See, I've kept my hand in my hawa and doing it. You all can wait for it to dry. This needs to be really bright because it's a droplet. Otherwise that effect of that droplet will not come. You know what you can do is, first you can color the entire paper. I did a little alsi. I took a red paper and I've done it. जिसको ज़्यादा मेहनत करने की शौक है वो प्लीज़ पूरे कलर पहले पेपर को कलर करो. Okay, now this is a big part, so we will be coloring it little, and then before it dries we are going to go champa 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 cham champa champa cham. कहाँ भाग रहे हो? Champa 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 cham. Okay, the bigger parts. The smaller parts को ज़रूरत नहीं है इतना. Only the bigger parts it really requires it. There should be a little shadow here. I'll have to keep my hand in the hawa and do it. So, and over here. Now let me check. Drop किया? Yes. किया किधर मैं भूल गई हूँ क्या? नहीं. So our droplet Ganesha is ready.